Hey guys, this is our day one of King David. This is found in 1 Samuel 18, verses 1 through 5, as well as in chapter 20, verses 13 through 17. And then later in the week, we will look at 2 Samuel 1, 1 through 4, and then 9, 1 through 13. All right. So remember we talked about last week David the shepherd. We talked about how he was a shepherd and a musician. He loved to worship on his harp while he took care of his sheep, but how he was also a warrior. He was very strong and he was a great fighter, and he would fight the bears and the lions to keep his sheep safe. And that one day he went out into battle, and he went out into battle against Goliath. When everyone else was afraid, David knew that he could trust God, that God would take care of him. And he defeated Goliath, and the army of the Lord had a great victory. And so after David defeated Goliath, he became a very important person in Israel. The king during that time, King Saul, could oftentimes be very grumpy, and he would ask David to come play his harp so that he could be calm, so that he could listen to that harp and that worship that David would play, and he would calm down. The king also had a son named Jonathan, and he and David became the best of friends. They promised that they would be best buddies forever, for as long as they lived. One day, a prophet came to see David, and he actually anointed his head with oil. That means to pour oil over his head, and told him that he would be the next king. Oh my goodness. And so do you think that's going to make King Saul happy or mad? Oh, I think he might get upset, but we're going to see tomorrow what's going to happen. All right, friends, see you later.